Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Joban. Today I'm going to show you how to make explosion box. This is a red color themed explosion box. I have created it using Craft Smart by Muskan, the red love pattern paper. This video is in collab with her. I will talk more about in the video. This explosion box can be used for Valentine Day or happy birthday as well. This is a single layer explosion box and I have added a handmade paper cake inside the box. This is handmade paper cake. And these are the tag sheets from Craft Smart by Muskan. You can buy these sheets from her page. And here I have added a squash card. You can paste pictures here. I have added magnets so that it can be easily closed. And there are some tags for pasting pictures. There is an empty space. It says today your day. You can paste picture here. And also here is a element for pasting pictures. It closes like this. If you're new here to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon. To make this explosion box, I will be using Craft Smart by Muskan paper pads and tag sheets. She sent me these craft supplies to review on my YouTube channel. I loved all the papers. You can buy your papers on her website. You can buy these papers on her page. Link is in the description box. You can get large variety of everything. Beautiful papers, tag sheets, raw bases. First thing she sent me is this, the red love pattern paper. It's beautifully wrapped in a ribbon. There are total 6 designs and total 20 sheets. On one design you will get 4 sheets. Look at the beautiful prints and designs. They are so glossy and perfect for explosion box scrapbookings. Hurry up, you can buy these papers now on her page. This paper is my favorite. This has beautiful flower roses prints. Next are these papers. These are set of Next are these papers. These are set of 10 sheets. It is a I love you theme pattern paper. I love you theme pattern paper. It's perfect and it's hard too. Similarly, this is also 10 sheets paper. They have very beautiful prints. And next are these my favorite tag sheets. You can cut them out and use. You can cut them out and use in your projects. Take a cardstock paper of 30 by 30 centimeter. Mark at 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter on all the sides. Join all the lines. Take a paper of 10 by 10 centimeter and fold it like this. Draw a heart on the paper. Cut this paper of 10 by 10 centimeter to paste on this side of explosion box. Take a paper of 15.5 by 15.5 centimeter and divide it into 6 parts like this as shown in the video. Now cut these 2 rectangles. Take a paper of 13 by 7 centimeter. Mark at 0.5 centimeter from all the sides. Take a paper of 6 by 6 inches and fold it like this. Now I have made 3 layers of cakes, and these 2 layers are just a little bit smaller size of the first layer. Take a paper of 16.3 centimeter by 16.3 centimeter and mark at 3 centimeter from all the sides. Join the lines and score the lines.